This is Shelly Craft coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2019 in Las Vegas. I have with me today Steve Raack from Vitalibis. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is VCBD. Steve, welcome to SNN.
Thank you for having me, Shelly. Appreciate it.
Good to have you. Let's get started with a brief overview of the company and we'll go from there.
Sure. Vitalibis is a premium, safe wellness brand with a CBD backbone.
What's the history behind the company?
That's a great history, actually. My background is in high-end skincare and cosmetics and nutrition. And about 5.5 years ago, I was introduced to CBD because we have a daughter with special needs. So our daughter actually has significant special needs. I won't name them all. Was on multiple pharmaceutical drugs, and we were having a lot of behavioral problems. As we were looking through that process, we kind of started to resent her as a daughter, unfortunately. And then a colleague told me about CBD, and I said, you know, I'm not a cannabis guy, I'm not interested. And then she started breaking TVs and kicking dog. It was a tough time. I then researched CBD and tried it with her, and it changed her life. I wasn't happy with the manufacturing and the quality processes, so my background is in very high skincare and cosmetics manufacturing, and so I took 2 years to go out there and find the best CBD oil for my daughter, and I wouldn't stop until I found the best. Once I found it, several people were asking me, hey, can I get some? And I said, sure. And I was buying bottles from our extractor. And then I realized, you know, I have an entrepreneur background, I've scaled many businesses, and I said, this is incredible.
Yeah, the light,
so it went on.
The light went on.
100%, yeah. And I thought about, you know what, if my daughter is benefiting so well from this full spectrum oil, let's take it out to other people and see what happens there.
So what would you say is unique about this?
So we like to say that a lot of people are in the $2 chuck level of oil. We're at the Rombauer level. So we go after very high-end strains of cannabis, hemp, and then we take it to an extractor that uses a proprietary process. So our extractor has a proprietary process that actually doesn't damage the plant as much. And so in those 18 months that I was searching for my daughter, I found the highest quality, best approach to CBD. And so that's our unique proposition, is we're premium safe. We don't private label any of our products. We own all the formulas. We don't go to a wholesaler and just buy stuff. We know where it's coming from, we know who's doing it, we touch it every single way, and we bring it to our marketplace because we know the consumer cares about quality and safety.
What gives you a competitive advantage?
Our quality and safety is beyond anything else, and so we also don't need to add flavoring systems or synthetic ingredients to our oils. It actually tastes very nutty and appropriate. So we also are not just a CBD company. We actually have nutritional supplements that don't have CBD in them. We have topical creams. My background is nutrition and topicals, right? Skincare. So we will be launching some of the best skincare in the business with some CBD in it. And so we're very excited about the future. And we also have another competitive advantage is we've built probably the best technology platform in the industry. And so my background has very large technology scaling opportunities, and so we've built a micro, macro, and nano influencer technology package, so we know who's ordering, how they're ordering, and how we can pay them commissions on referral sales. Not an MLM model, but kind of an affiliate influencer model on steroids, if you can imagine. So we've got multi-channels, multi-strategies, top premium products, all supported by an industry-leading technology platform.
Give me an idea who the target markets are.
So we have 5 target markets. I will let you know 2 of them, because those are the 2 that we're working in now. The other ones we're not talking about yet. Women 35 to 75 that will never go to a dispensary and trust their friends' recommendations, especially in this industry. And then athletes, premium athletes. So if you look at our stock, you'll see that we've done relationships with Dusty Baker, is one of our ambassadors and one of our strategic advisors. And we also have a collaboration with the Bruce Lee family as well. So Bruce Lee was one of the most iconic athletes of all time, and he used Chinese herbs and CBD in his training, and we have a collaboration coming out with them shortly. So,
what's your background?
My background's electrical engineering degree and MBA, and education-wise, I started my kind of career as an intern kind of at NASA, and then moved into management consulting, entertainment, and then in 2006, I saw some people from Disney have left to go resurrect Herbalife. And so I wanted to get out of the movie industry, and I wanted to get into touching product. And so I started with Herbalife in 2006 and have been in the product space ever since. Last company I worked for was a company called Beauty Counter. It's a high-end, safe, premium skincare line, and we were able to scale that business really well, authentically, strong social mission, a wonderful organization that I learned a lot from and gained a lot of respect for that business. I'm taking those learnings to Vitalibis.
So as a public company, from what you can tell me, what are your growth drivers?
Yeah, so we have a couple growth drivers I can share with you. We have a B2C channel, which is our technology-powered affiliate ambassador model. Again, macro, micro, nano influencers, and we're executing on all those pieces. We're going to continue to leverage that with our Bruce Lee activation, with our Dusty Baker alignments and so forth, as well as the digital campaigns that we continue to work with. Additionally, our B2B side. So we have a very, very powerful and strong water-soluble powder. And that can go into shakes, it can go into hot drink mixes and so forth. So our B2B is a raw material supplier, very, very strong there. And we're also, because we're a premium safe company, last driver I could mention to you is we're starting to look at vertical integration so that we can continue to control our supply chain and basically manage our destiny with the quality that we're looking for. As this base kind of blows up, a lot of people are moving into the low end, pump it out as fast as possible, and that's not our model. So our model is high, safe, premium, trusted, and continue to execute on the technology side as well.
So for more information, where can we send our audience?
Yeah, so our website is www.vitalibis.com, and we have a great blog out there. We have other pages as well, and then you can also email us at customercare@vitalibis.com as well. So.
Ladies and gentlemen, Steve Raack, Vitalibis. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is VCBD. I'm Shelly Kraft, this is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2019 in Las Vegas. Steve, thanks for coming on.
Sure. Appreciate you, David.